This is an insight from FreshNews.ai. An AI visibility dashboard becomes the control center for GEO, be selected by generative engines, not sidelined by them in critical discovery moments. Today's signal, centralized AI visibility governance, is now the control point for how generative engines interpret and select your brand. It consolidates brand knowledge, proof assets, and narrative rules into a single AI visibility intelligence dashboard that marketing and comms use to manage industry authority category association with the same rigor as performance channels. This shifts visibility spend from broad awareness activity to a managed system where you can see, adjust, and defend how GEO be selected by generative engines performance ties to budget. Why it matters. Here are 4 takeaways. First, you can see where generative engines describe your brand vaguely or incorrectly and assign owners to fix it. Second, you can tie budget to specific authority gaps instead of defending generic visibility or awareness lines. Third, you can prevent fragmented teams from pushing conflicting narratives into the market. Fourth, you can prioritize content and PR work that directly improve selection in high-intent scenarios. How it works in practice. Marketing operations stands up an AI visibility dashboard that inventories how your brand is described across core queries, comparisons, and use cases. Brand, comms, and content teams use it as the single reference for approved definitions, proof points, and target category language. They log gaps where generative answers are incomplete or inconsistent, then map each gap to a specific action, such as a new explainer, a clarified positioning page, or a targeted authority initiative. Owners get assigned to each gap with a due date, and the dashboard tracks whether outputs move toward the intended narrative over time. One practical adjustment. This week, designate one owner to draft a simple AI visibility dashboard listing your top 10 priority queries and how generative engines currently describe you. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, identify the top 10 questions where you must be selected and document current AI outputs in a shared dashboard. Second, define the canonical 1-sentence description, 3 proof points, and target category label for each of those questions. Third, assign functional owners to close the most critical 3 gaps with specific content or authority actions. Fourth, schedule a recurring monthly review where leadership inspects AI visibility metrics alongside other channel performance. Read more at FreshNews.ai.